Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're talking about the Samsung BESPOKE Cube Air Purifier, a device designed to give you a breath of fresh air in your home. Now, let's get right into it. Click the link below the video to get this now. First, let's talk about the key features of this air purifier. 360-degree purification. Get a rapid and comprehensive clean with powerful 5-way suction that draws in and circulates clean air in various directions. Best for rooms in your house up to 350 square feet. Wind-free purification. The Cube's purification system is quieter than a whisper and releases clean air without annoying noise or a cold draft. Wi-Fi connectivity. Moving on to connectivity, this purifier can be controlled remotely through your smartphone. Whether you're at home or away, you can monitor and adjust your air quality with ease. Smart control. This purifier senses impurities and automatically optimizes purification intensity. Shows real-time air pollution level, including ultrafine dust and the presence of various gaseous contaminants detected by the micro-air sensor. Pet mode. This filter has pet mode, which reduces peat hair and odors from the air in your home so you can breathe cleaner air. Now, let's talk about the pros. Enhanced HEPA filtration. The multi-layered HEPA filtration system helps trap dust and remove odors. Easily check and manage your purification settings and filters with the SmartThings app and use the app to buy replacement filters when needed. Optimize purification. This purifier senses impurities by continually analyzing the indoor air quality and automatically controlling the volume of purified air and the operating mode accordingly. Colorful design. BESPOKE Cube is stylishly designed to fit your home decor and lifestyle. Interchangeable front panels allow you to switch up the color and pattern for a different look. Of course, no product is perfect. Let's discuss the cons. Filter replacement costs. While the filters are highly effective, they can be a bit pricey to replace. It's important to factor this into the long-term cost of ownership. Small coverage area. Although it's compact and stylish, it might not be ideal for larger spaces. Make sure to measure your room before purchasing. So if you're ready to breathe easier and enjoy cleaner and fresher air in your home, check out the Samsung BESPOKE Cube Air Purifier on Amazon by clicking the link in the description below. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. Comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting product reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.